Recently, I went to the bank to withdraw some money. This is because I monetized my page a few months ago. In fact, I have 3 different Facebook pages that are currently monetized. And the thing is that a lot of people have been asking me, Solomon, how can I start earning from Facebook? How can I monetize my Facebook page? I can tell you for free that Facebook is one of the easiest social media platforms I can monetize in 2026. I mean, very, very easy because it has a lot of earning opportunities. Now, today I want us to talk about something special. There is something they call clipping, and clipping is actually putting money in people's pocket in 2026. And people don't want to tell you about this, but I am here to tell you about this because I love you so much. Now, all what you have to do for me right now, make sure you like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more content from me, and comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 steps you can take for you to start clipping in 2026. Clipping viral content on Facebook and actually making money from those your content on Facebook legitimately and legally. No issues, no copyrighted issues. You clip your videos, you post it, and you make money from that particular content. Now, this is for people that are shy to create content on their own from scratch. Now, the first thing you need for you to become a Facebook clipper in 2026 is a good smartphone. Yes, you need a good smartphone. It could be Android, could be iPhone, but I prefer Android phones because they are very, very fast when it comes to editing videos. But the phone should be good enough to get a good smartphone, at least maybe 64 gigabytes. So the second thing right here, you actually need to pick a niche. So you cannot say you want to start and you'll be doing everything at the same time. So you can pick a niche. For example, you can focus on football, you can focus on comedy, you can focus on skit, still the same thing. You can focus on motivation. That is a niche. So you need to pick an area of focus, or you can call it a niche. The next step, you actually need to pick a person. You need to pick an individual or an organization that you'll be clipping their videos. I'm going to show you how you can do that. What's the difference between picking a person and picking a niche? So let me say, for example, your niche is football, and the person you'll be posting about is Messi or Ronaldo. So you pick a niche and you pick a person. There are a lot of people that already love Messi, and if they see videos from your page that is about Messi or Ronaldo, they would like to follow you instantly because these people have a lot of followers already globally. So it shouldn't be a problem at all. So that's why after you pick a niche, which is your step 2, you actually need to pick a person or an organization, which is your step 3. Your step 4 right here is for you to pick a platform that you'll be getting these particular clips from. If you go and pick anyhow platform, for example, if you pick a video from Facebook and post it back on Facebook, you're going to get what we call copyright claim or copyright strike, or they might remove your content for low quality and the rest. So you need to choose another external platform that you'll be getting videos from. Is very, very important. Now, the final one, you also need to choose a platform that you'll be posting this video to. You need to choose a platform. You can post it on YouTube and other platforms, but we are going to be going with Facebook. So let's go back and start. So it's for us to ask ChatGPT what niche is actually popular on Facebook right here in Nigeria. So let's ask ChatGPT that. What niche is very popular on Facebook right here in Nigeria? Give me the top 5 niches that are very, very popular specifically for Nigerians, that a lot of Nigerians like watching their videos. So I'm going to click on enter. ChatGPT gave us some list. Comedy skits is very, very important. Number 2 here, we have celebrity, gossip, and entertainment. We have football too. Now the next one right here, we have Nollywood movie. We have relationship and street interview, celebrity, gossip, and entertainment news. I think this is the one we should go for. The next thing is for us to choose a person. We have picked celebrity, gossip, and entertainment news. So give us 5 to 10 different Nigerian celebrities that are always trending in the entertainment niche right here in Nigeria, specifically for Nigerians. So I'm going to click on enter, and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. We have Sabinus. We don't want Sabinus. Brain Jota. We don't want that. Kataife. That is a good one. Mackenzie, that one don't old. We don't want that. We're going to go with Kataife because he's always trending. And I mean, people like his videos. They are always funny and he's always trending. But you can pick any other person. We need to clip streams and not videos. Now let me tell you the difference. If you're clipping a video, that will require a lot of editing, and I know that most of you don't know how to edit videos. We have to clip their live streaming. It's much more easier, and it's also beginner friendly even if you don't know how to edit videos. So we have to clip their live streaming. If not, they are going to give you copyright claim or copyright strike. And the next thing on our list is for us to pick a platform that we are going to be getting his videos. This particular page on Facebook only posts about Kataife and some other streamers too, you can see, and they have millions and millions of views right here. So if we come down here and take their video and post it in our own page, that will give us copyright. So what we want to do is for us to go over to a certain platform and start getting this particular content from there. For example, anytime Kataife go live on TikTok, we can go over there and watch his stream, follow the stream, then get some clips from the stream. Okay, another way we can do, which is also very simple, is on Twitch. Go and download Twitch. It's on your Google Play Store or on your App Store. Go over there and download your Twitch app. Let's search for his page, Kataife, right here. You can see that this is his page on Twitch. You have different options right here. So the first thing you can do is for you to come here and click on clips. You're going to see different clips that they already have, which is going to be much more easier for you. You can just come here, download the clips, and go and do it, which is going to be easier. This is the easier version. Or you can decide to get your own clips by yourself, which is going to take much more time. So if you want to do that, click on videos right here. You're going to see different videos that he has done, recent ones. If you like that particular video that you want to clip, or what you have to do, just click on the share button at the top. Let me click on share link right here, and then from there you can copy the link. You can take it to a Twitch video downloader, go over there and you download the video. Simple, I'm going to show you. Or you can decide to just screen record the whole thing. I mean, why not? You can just decide to turn on your screen record and you screen record the whole thing with the volume and everything normal. It's going to be very easier. Just screen record the whole thing. So what you have to do, just for you to come here and put this, just rotate the phone. You can see it's actually full screen right now, and from here now you can decide to record it this way. Then maybe if you want to edit it later, you can decide to turn it over, then you edit it. That is how you can do it. So it's very simple. Or you can decide to download the whole thing. Come to this particular software right here. This software will help you to download it. So just come here and paste the link inside the software. If you want to download the whole thing, the thing is very long. It's going to consume over 17 gigabytes, and you don't have that kind of time, you don't have that kind of data. So what you do is that they give you options to trim it. You can decide to trim it. You can see this trimming option. So you trim it right here to the specific part that you want. You can see that you can trim it to the specific part you want. So after you trim it right there, when you're done trimming it, let me reduce it more and more. So once you're done trimming it from 17 to 24, which is few minutes, then you just go ahead and click on download. So once you click on download, you're going to see that it's going to start to download that particular clip. You can see that our download just started. So that is how you download the clip. Right, guys, so our video is done downloading it. As you can see, we just finished downloading our video. You can see right here, the other one is still downloading. All right, so I'm just going to come to my gallery. You can see that this is the video right here. You guys can see that this is actually amazing. So we just downloaded the video. This is actually beautiful and amazing. So all what we have to do right now is for us to go and just do a little, let's just tweak the video a little bit. Okay, you can use this app right here called InShot, but if you have another editing app like CapCut, you can use CapCut. So I'm going to come here and import that particular Kataife video, and then I'm going to change the ratio to 9:16. So let me just put the down part half of the screen right here. I'm going to come here and click on the PIP. I'm going to import that same video again. I'm going to make it fit the screen, part this other way, part this other way. You can see. So I'm going to come here and click on the volume icon and reduce the volume for one of the clips. So if I click on play, you can see that everything is now showing nice and simple inside the frame. Just click on export 1080p at 30 frames per second. That's what we're going to do. If you want to know more about video editing, you can learn. I'm going to drop a link down below for you to learn how you can edit videos just with your smartphone right here in Nigeria. You can see that the thing is exporting and our video is done.
Jesus, is it the one that they communicate with Okiki? Is it the one that they communicate with Okiki? We don't reach show. we don't reach the estate o.
The only one dey live in life, you carry big motor. Tell me padà make you follow us.
So you can see that is actually very, very funny. And the next thing is for us to move to stage 5. Where can we post this particular video? So now we already have Facebook. Now you have to create a Facebook page. Go and create a Facebook page for yourself. I've made a video how you can do that. So let me click on the plus icon at the top. Let me click on Reels because we are posting Reels. Let me import the video. That's the video. Let me click on Next. Everything is okay. We are going to click on Next. And that's it. Our video is actually posting itself. After a few seconds or after a few minutes, our video will be posted. And that is how you post videos right here. It's very, very, very simple. For you to monetize a Facebook page, Facebook has to invite you. You have to generate at least 5,000 followers, or you have to have at least 5,000 active followers, and you have to have at least 500k consistent views in the past 90 days or 800k consistent views total in the past 90 days. Then they are going to invite you for content monetization on Facebook. Without that, or apart from that, they are not going to invite you, and it's not something you can do without invitation. Do this and let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.